Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got.
Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful sunny day. I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah. So guys, apparently I just got back from work this morning from a night shift and I'm supposed to be sleeping, but I just said let me spend some time on social media. I went on Instagram and I saw Patricia Bright. Patricia Bright is having a meet and greet in Manchester Boots and there. So I decided to meet up with her. Yes guys, so right now I'm in Anvil, Manchester, and I'm going to meet up with Patricia Bright. Yes guys, come with me. Let's meet one of my best and favorite YouTuber. Oh yes, so guys, I'm so happy right now. Patricia is here. Oh my god, I can't believe this. She's right on my. Yeah, oh my god. I love her.
You're the most
I'm
I've ever met.
shaving.
Oh no,
I hope I can vlog a little bit.
Yes. Oh, you're vlogging. You filming?
Yeah.
Oh, I know that.
I just started my channel this year too.
Oh, really? Amazing. Well, congratulations.
Oh my god, I have Patricia Bright. Oh my god, I'm shaving. I can't believe I'm doing this.
Oh no. I always try to come up and like meet people here and there.
I was in bed. I just finished a 12 hours night shift.
Did you see my post this morning?
Just like 1 hour and 40 minutes ago. I was already in bed.
Oh my god. Okay,
Oh,
thanks
thank
for
you
coming
very
out.
much. I love you. Lots of kisses to Maureen, Mike, and I always forget our little princess named
Just call her
Mike.
Princess.
Yeah, and our beautiful princess. Thank you. I'm so happy meeting you.
You too as well.
Thank you. Love you. Okay, so guys, I finally met with Patricia Bright, but I was just shaving. I couldn't make any video with her. I can't even believe the way I was feeling when I saw her. Oh my goodness. Yes guys, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch till the end of this video. Thank you. Okay guys, yeah, so I just finished the meet and greet with Patricia Bright and I can't believe I was shaking. I was shivering guys. Oh my god, I couldn't even have a picture with her. She has to be like, oh don't worry, I understand, let me help you with the picture. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so guys, we are at Manchester Piccadilly. The kids are having fun. Yeah, they're having fun. That's Eric, that's Michelle. Oh my goodness. Yes. So that's the only beach we have in Manchester. That's the only waterfall you can get when it's sunny. Today is so sunny. Today is Saturday, the 21st of September. So I just finished my meet and greet with Patricia Bright and I decided to take the kids out to have fun a bit. Yeah, so there they are. It's so sunny. Yeah, you can see everyone is out. I feel like taking off my clothes and jumping inside that water. That's Michelle having fun. She's having fun with her brother. And that's my husband.